it's hard to outbid governments that will pay millions of dollars for these bugs if they're usable for exploits. And so suddenly you have this auction that goes through the roof. And really, I think it's not unreasonable to expect security firms to notify the company that created the software and hardware and give them a fair amount of time to fix it. And I don't think necessarily saying, but you have to give us $100,000 first. Makes me feel a little queasy.
I don't think AMD even has a bug bounty program, so how else were they going to monetize it?
By short selling the stock?
Why not? It's as good a way as any, and it's virtually untraceable.
Good Lord.
And, you know, if AMD is not going to play ball, is not going to own up to its responsibilities and offer a bug bounty for people who report them, then this is the sort of thing that you're going to get. And these researchers are doing it for money, and the bug bounty programs, love them or hate them. Yes, you're right. Some security researchers will only work white hat, and increasingly they'll only work inside the bug bounty programs because they get legal protection and corporate protection when they're inside bug bounty companies.
Linus Torvalds, creator of Linux, did raise this specter that maybe these are short sellers. CTS Labs, which is well known. He said, when was the last time you saw